How to post on LinkedIn. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let us get started. Launch any of your web application and at the top search bar type in www.linkedin.com. As you do so, you will land onto the official website of LinkedIn. Now make sure that you are logged into your specific LinkedIn account. Once done, you will land onto a page like this. And here on the left side, you will see your profile. Now, in order to post something, this is just like your Facebook. You will see your initial here, and you will also see start a post, try writing with AI. Click onto it. Here, type in anything that you would like to post. Now, in order to add image, you can click on this add media option. That way, it will open up your gallery section from your file explorer. There you can select any images that you would like to post. If you would like to tap on more, you can even add a poll. Once you're done creating your caption, simply click on to post. If you would like to schedule this post for a couple hours later, then you will see this schedule for later clock icon. Click onto it, choose the date and time, then click on next. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe.